Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a fried chicken a la Jollibee style. So stick around and shout out to be followed. Yummy?
Yummy. Good.
Tastes better?
Tastes way better than Jollibee's.
We start clearing the chicken and put in a Ziploc and put your seasoning. Black pepper, salt, onion powder, lemon juice, and your Canada Dry, and mix well. And marinate for about 3 hours or more. After 3 hours of marination, I break 1 piece of egg, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and flour. And mix it well. Meanwhile, flour, black pepper powder, and salt, and some crushed chips, and mix it well. And coated your chicken. Both sides, make it sure that everything is covered with dried powder. And set aside. And make it a cornstarch water. And dip your chicken in a cornstarch water and fried. A very hot oil. Cook the chicken until golden brown both sides and adjust the heat to medium heat. So it's avoid the burning of the chicken. Look at that. My fried chicken is perfectly cooked and looks so good. Then now, how to make a gravy, a cornstarch water. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 piece of chicken cubes. Onion powder. And some salt. And black pepper powder. Mix it until all the flavors are mixed together and well incorporated, and add your cornstarch powder. And then add water gradually, and then mix until it's smooth and soft. And then a pinch of light soy sauce. And let it boil until it's smooth and soft. Hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave comments below, and share to your friends. I will show more interesting recipes and beautiful places here in Alberta. And thank you for watching. See you in my next recipe. Bye!